So how will you feel if you get rejected for monetization after getting 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours? You know the struggle it takes to get your 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, and you apply for monetization and you get rejected. Okay, now I apply for monetization for this particular channel you are seeing right now. Okay, and I've been rejected. In fact, this channel belongs to one of my students. Okay, and this is the email YouTube sent, right? So thank you for applying to join the YouTube partner program. We carefully reviewed your channel, Bediana Walker Vibes. Unfortunately, we found that your channel is not in line with YouTube's channel monetization policies, so we cannot approve your application at this time. Don't worry, nothing has changed for your channel. This just means you can't monetize yet. So this is the email YouTube sent to us that they have rejected us for monetization. Now, as an expert on YouTube here who has been applying for monetization for a lot of people, before applying for monetization, I actually went through this channel's videos to see if there is something wrong, and I did not see anything wrong, right? So we went ahead and I applied for the monetization, right? But when I applied, I was rejected, and this is what YouTube is saying here. So let me go to the end. Let me show you something here. Okay, so this is it. Your channel isn't earning right now. Let me zoom it for you. After reviewing your channel using a combination of automated systems and human reviewers, we found that it does not follow the YouTube's policies. Our review found out that your channel contains reused content and repetitive content. Now, let's read what is the reused content here. Content is not fairly an original creation of the channel and may have been repurposed from another channel. And then the repetitive content. Videos look mass produced or auto generated. They did not provide much educational value, right? Before applying for the monetization, I went through this channel and it does not go against any of these policies. You understand? So it was later that the channel owner actually came back telling me that you know what YouTube is saying is true and that she is at fault. Okay, so she actually made a mistake on her channel, right? So this is what I am going to do. I am going to do screen recording here and then play audio of what she said, right? So that we can hear from the horse's own mouth, and that is where I want all of us to take note of and be very careful, because I know there are lots of people who are making this particular mistake, right? So you can see right here she's saying my channel monetization was rejected because of reuse content and repeat content, and this is the explanation she gave me. Now all of you listen.
Hello, bros. Please, how are you doing? And I hope by God grace you are good. Okay, just now you two sent me a message that my monetization is rejected. So I didn't even panic. I was not sad. I was not hurt because, my other channel I was using it to do cooking, food, and
Now listen very well, she's saying the reason.
I stopped using it to switch to different accounts. That is my monetized channel, and most of the videos on the channel that is rejected are food. Yeah. So when you two send me that message, I was I was not sad because I know something will happen. So what I'm doing now is to delete all those videos. Yeah, all the food they gave me to appeal, but I know that I'm at fault, so I don't need to appeal. Yeah, so I'm deleting all the food content on those videos, then edit the channel to restart again because they gave me 2nd May to, I mean, apply or ask for appeal, but I know I'm at fault. Yeah, so this is what I want to tell you.
All right, so Did you hear what she said? So now, for those of you might not really understand her accent, um, this is what she did. You see, this channel you are seeing right now. Okay, now this is her first YouTube channel. You understand? And this channel was not performing very well. And she started this channel with cooking videos. She started this channel, she was posting cooking videos and it was not doing well. And then she created another YouTube channel and then was posting the cooking videos on that particular YouTube channel, the new YouTube channel. You understand? And luckily for her, you know how the YouTube algorithm is. It does not favor, you sometimes. That channel luckily was performing very well. And then she was able to monetize that particular channel. You understand? So now that new channel is monetized. You understand? And the old one, which was not performing better, which is this one we are talking about right now, has now reached the 4,000 watch hours. And then I applied for the monetization for her, and she has been rejected. And the reason she has been rejected is that, as YouTube is saying here, that reuse content and repetitive content. So her mistake is that the content here, she was posting the same thing on the other channel. You understand? So one YouTube policy is that you cannot post the same video on two different channels. You can only do that when you do editing to it or when you add some value to the two videos. You understand? So for instance, this video is 10 minutes long. You post it on this channel, right? And then you have another YouTube channel. You post the same 10 minutes video on it. If you do that, it is reuse content. It is not an original content. You understand? So this is the mistake she did, because to post the same video, make sure you do significant editing to it so that it makes it different. Else YouTube will know. You understand? So no wonder YouTube is saying reuse content, because the content is clearly not original and it is also what repetitive. You understand? So in this case, you see YouTube is telling her to appeal. So in this case, there is no need to appeal. You understand? And then she made another mistake. She has deleted all the videos that she feels it is repetitive. So let me come to the earn here. So you can see the channel was initially having 4,000 watch hours, right? Now, because she deleted the videos, it is now left with 950 watch hours out of 4,000 watch hours. You understand? So you struggle to get 4,000 watch hours and then you make a silly mistake and then you lose all the watch hours. And now, what is dangerous about her deleting the videos is that it will cause this channel to be shadow banned. You understand? Because YouTube pushes videos based on the videos you have on your channel. You understand? The videos you have on your channel gives YouTube a sense of history. So if you delete those videos and you post another video, YouTube will not know where to send, the your new videos to. YouTube will not know the audience to send your new videos to. You understand? So it's very bad to delete your video. So I told her not to delete the videos, but I don't know, probably she did not hear me, or she forgot, right? So her deleting the videos right now means that her channel is going to be shadow banned. Her views will drop, definitely. Okay, so if you find yourself in this situation, right, the best thing you are supposed to do is that you need to just keep on continue posting your content. You understand? Now let me come here. Now YouTube is saying the videos on it are not original, so don't delete the videos. Keep on posting your content. When this watch hour here reaches 8,000 watch hours, you understand? By that time, you already have extra watch hours which you can actually use to monetize again. Then you can go back and then um delete all the videos you think have problem. You understand? By that time you already have extra watch hours already, but if you delete it now and try to post again, the views won't come. You understand? Because the channel will be shadow banned. Okay, so one person two troubles, right? YouTube has rejected you for monetization, and then your views too will drop. You are going to get shadow ban. So this is something I want to share with you all. Don't make this mistake. Let's all learn from it. Okay. All right. Now we all know that getting 4,000 watch hours is very difficult. Okay. So I provide 4,000 watch hour service. You understand? If you need 4,000 watch hours to monetize your YouTube channel, if you've been doing YouTube for 5 years, 3 years, 2 years, many years, and you're not getting your 4,000 watch hours, I can get it for you within 7 days to 21 days. It is 100% legit, 100% organic, and you are going to get monetized very soon. Check the description of this video. You are going to get my contact there. Okay. Now it is not free. In fact, if you want me to do the watch hours for you, it is $150, right? And if you want me to show you how it is done, it is $50. Okay, so check the description of this video and then get my contact there, and then you can come to me. Let me help you with your 4,000 watch hours. All right, thanks for watching, and then see you in my next video. Please make sure you like this video because there will be giveaway in my next video. Goodbye.